What do you do with shiso taking over your garden or fridge? This shiso pesto pasta devours entire bundles in one bite, transforming guilt-inducing waste into dinner party gold. Let's tackle the surplus. For a printable version of this recipe, visit my website, just Google shiso pesto pasta / to find me. Start by cutting 10 mini tomatoes into fine rough chunks. We're talking cherry tomatoes, grape tomatoes or sun gold varieties that are absolutely perfect for this dish. Combine these chunky tomatoes with about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped green onions, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, half a teaspoon of balsamic vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of honey, and halved and de-seeded dried red chili. Season with a good pinch of salt and pepper, then give everything a thorough stir. Cover this tightly and rest it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Also, pop your serving bowls and forks into the fridge or even the freezer if you want to serve it extra cold. While we wait, we're building the shiso pesto. Grab your food processor jug and add 2.5 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of grated parmesan cheese, half tablespoon of toasted white sesame seeds, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of white miso paste, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of anchovy paste. Add your 15 grams of shiso leaves to the food processor, which I counted as 35 leaves today. Tearing them will give them a head start when blitzing. Finally, top those with 10 grams of unsalted roasted cashew, 5 grams of pine nuts, and half garlic clove with the core removed. We remove the core to prevent any harsh, lingering bitterness. Pulse everything until it forms a chunky paste, then let the food processor run continuously for about 30 seconds until you achieve a smooth, vibrant green sauce that's absolutely stunning to look at. Shiso leaves are tougher than basil, so the food processor or blender's powerful blades are great for breaking down those fibrous cell walls. The white miso acts as both a Japanese umami booster and a natural emulsifier. When your marinating time is almost finished, bring a large bowl of water to a rolling boil and add salt, about 1% salt by weight. Add about 200 grams of spaghettini. Thinner pasta is your friend for cold dishes. I use spaghettini today, but capellini or regular spaghetti is also fine. Cook it for about 1 minute longer than the package directions suggest. This one recommends 9 minutes, so I'm cooking it for 10. The ice bath firms the noodles, so we need them to be slightly softer than usual. The moment your pasta finishes cooking, drain it quickly in your prepared colander, rinse under cold water, and then plunge it into the ice water bath. Swish those noodles around for about 30 seconds until they feel completely cold. Transfer your well-drained pasta to a large mixing bowl and make sure it's really well drained because excess water will dilute our beautiful pesto. Add the shiso pesto, tossing gently but thoroughly until every strand glistens with that gorgeous emerald green coating. Divide the pasta between your chilled serving bowl and spoon those marinated tomatoes generously over the top, letting some of the bright flavorful marinade pour around the edges like little jewel-toned puddles. Finish with a drizzle of your extra virgin olive oil. If you want some protein, dry cured ham is a perfect addition to keep the dish refreshing and easy to prepare. And there you have it, a stunning plate of emerald green shiso pesto pasta crowned with jewel bright tomatoes. Ready to impress your dinner guests or treat yourself to something special on a summer night. Want even more delicious recipes? Grab my free cookbook from the link in the description. Okay, let's go over the ingredients one more time. And if you're ready to cook, grab the written instructions by clicking the full recipe box with a picture that's about to pop up on your screen. Here we go, the link to the full recipe is on the screen for you now, and if you want to watch more similar videos, don't miss my summer recipe playlist popping up on your screen as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.